Hello everybody, welcome to the 500 subscriber giveaway video. Can you believe it? We made it to 500 in just a shade under 5 months too, which is pretty awesome. So stay tuned, we're going to tell you how you can win this fabulous prize.
Never took a left. Oh, that cart was a jack of wheels.
Oh my god, oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible.
Alright, so 500 subscribers, first things first, thank you very much. When we started this YouTube journey, it was just a little hobby of something for us to do while we were out thrifting, and frankly, I didn't think it was going to go anywhere. And looking back on that very first video, I'm kind of surprised that you guys even watched, because that first video was rough. But we're here. We've got 500 subscribers, and that's just absolutely amazing. So thank you to each and every one of you. Some of the best parts of my day are talking to each and every one of you on the comments. One of the very first comments on that last YouTube short that I uploaded was that I jacked up the date. I said Tuesday, March 4th, and today is in fact Thursday, March 4th. So you guys keep me honest, and I love it. Thank you so much. But yeah, talking to you guys in the comments is great. I love talking to each and every one of you. I've run into a few of you out there in the thrifting world and talking to you guys, and it's just been humbling and amazing. Thank you so much. So let's get into why you guys are here. Why are you here? Well, that's for the free stuff. So we are giving away a mystery box. Yes, that's right, a mystery box. I'm not going to tell you what's in it. You're just going to have to trust me. Which, yeah, I know. Some of you guys don't even know me, but I'm asking you to trust me. Yeah, no, I'm not going to give you a bunch of stuff that we can't sell on eBay. You're not going to get, Dan Fogelberg's greatest hits on vinyl, or a bunch of cassette tapes that nobody wants. You're going to get what we would call the Pittsburgh Picker bread and butter. The stuff that we sell day in and day out on this channel. So if you're a regular viewer of this channel, you probably a pretty good idea what might be coming your way. And we're going to throw in some things like vintage books, maybe some stuff that we got via retail arbitrage, so some new stuff, just a whole eclectic mix of stuff that you can turn around and sell on eBay. And I promise you, we are not going to send you junk. We are going to send you stuff that will sell. So how do you enter? Well, the first thing you're going to have to do is subscribe to the channel. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel for a number of reasons. Number one, how are you going to know when I give this away if you're not subscribed? So first things first, hit that subscribe button, subscribe to the channel. Second thing, like the video. So real easy, hit that thumbs up button underneath the video. And the third thing you're going to have to do is comment down below. So what are you going to comment? I don't care what you comment, as long as it has the word mystery in it. So you can say, wow, you're a mystery, or it's a mystery why sometimes you wear glasses and sometimes you don't. Or you can say, what's that big screen behind you, or that little screen behind you, and why does it say Pittsburgh Picker? It's a mystery. No, probably not. That's a terrible comment. Don't comment that. In fact, you know what? It'd be really funny actually if you did comment that. Anyways, so it doesn't really matter as long as the word mystery is in it. Now, try to make sure the mystery word is separated by a space on either side, or else the program I'm going to use is not going to pick up your word. So if you hashtag mystery, or you forget to hit the space bar, it's not going to show up. So make sure that mystery word is in your comment. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Number one, subscribe to the channel. Number two, like the video. Number three, comment the word mystery down below. That's all you got to do. When are we going to give this away? Well, a week from today. So next Thursday, we're going to give this away. What's the date? Hold on, I'll check. Probably should check beforehand, huh? All right, now that we've consulted with the calendar, next Thursday, March 11th, will be the day we give that away. So if you're really interested in getting this mystery box, make sure to stay tuned and, subscribe to the channel, because then you'll know. If you turn the notifications from suggested to all, you'll know every time I upload videos. So you'll be the first viewer next Thursday, March 11th, when this is given away. And that's about it. From the bottom of my heart, thank you guys so much for subscribing, watching, commenting, everything you guys do. It's just been great. 500 subscribers is absolutely amazing. So Thank you again so much. And that's about it. Before I get all teary-eyed and misty-eyed, we're going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. And thank you. Bye.
Good day, sir!